obviously gonna be using chopsticks. Opening the powder and soy sauce. It's both 2 in 1. Let me pour it in now. Now we're pouring the powder into this kimchi powder. Oh my god, that looks so spicy. And so mom is washing the pan. We're gonna be making it in pot. I got the jug. We're gonna first pour our water in it. Then we're gonna pour our kimchi. Then we'll put the sauce in later. Then when it's gonna be all done, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is kappa cabbage, also aka known as kimchi. We are gonna mix it in. We're gonna marinate it a little bit more, then it's gonna be good. And we are also gonna add 1 or 2 mushrooms, cut them in half. So when we will add the mushrooms into that, then I will show you guys. We added the mushroom into it too. Wow, this looks so good.